Okay, there. I needed my lovely assistant to assist me in lifting and installing this quite awkward cylinder head arrangement here on the side of the motor. But here it is. You can see the delineation between machine shop goodness and dirty Subaru. Machine shop goodness and dirty Subaru. But hey, it's on there. Got a nice head gasket in there. I know a lot of people don't like the OEM head gasket, but believe it or not, it's one of the least expensive ones to just go right down to Steve Moyer and say, hey, I need a head gasket. It's reasonable. That goes one. There's one hiding under there, too. Whoop, no, excuse me. 3 is at the front of the engine. FYI, 3. 4 is down there. 5's up here. And 6 is hiding underneath here. I'm reusing my bolts, so I'm going to skip the 2 pre-stretching sequences where you would tighten, the order that I showed every time. So just keep that in mind, but take them all to 21, then take them all to 51, and then 180 degree loosening, and then a second 180 degree loosening. But those first 2 steps were to stretch these torque to yield bolts. These are torque to yield, so to make up for it, or I guess to reuse these broken in bolts, you simply skip those first 2 steps of the round of 21 and the round of 51, and the unloosening, obviously. So that means that the first step for used bolts is just to simply hit all of these down to 11 foot-pounds, and then bring the center 2 to 25 foot-pounds, and then 90 degree turn to the right, and then all the way around with that, and then a second round of another 90 degree turn. Here we go. Just for the sake of the video, before too many people start calling me crazy, I just took some white out and put white dots basically on the 12 o'clock star. Okay? It's kind of hard to see now. All the dots are at 3 o'clock. So one more go round. There they are. Now, some of you will realize what I'm talking about, and some of you won't. We're at the point where I could say the 80 to 90 part. Yeah, were you ever tightening up a bolt and you kind of just like it started to say stop, don't do it, don't do it. Well, that's kind of the situation we were in. So I'm gonna go on the side of 80 rather than 90. Maybe this was Sandy's second head gasket job. I don't know. So there we go. One's in. Monday. Head 1. Day 1. Head 1. Bye.